Look at this crazy deer. When you get approached by a human, you're supposed to want to run. No, this guy wants to stare me down. Get out of here. Beat it. Not a cat. Why are you walking like that? You got the mange? So I got a little steak here, a little over a pound, and bought it at the local Winco grocery store. And we're going to grill it today. Normally I just grill these things naked. I don't put anything on them. But today's going to be a different story. I made my own rub, and that's what you're looking at here. And I'll tell you what, the key, most important ingredient in this, they're all important, but the key and most important one in this, in my opinion, is that smoked paprika. Do not ignore, well, I will post the recipe for this rub down below, but do not omit the smoked paprika. You can adjust everything else in that recipe. You do it the way you want. So we'll do that. And also I got some jumbo shrimp previously frozen, which brought it down to almost $9. But yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to grill all this stuff. And I think this time we're going to do it on the Go Anywhere grill from Weber. And the Weber has a new toy as well. This grill grate is not the greatest style of grate to do grilling on. So that's probably the only thing I don't really care for about this Weber grill. So what I did, and I'll show you here, is I bought a new grate. And it's just from Walmart. I think it costs like $14. And it's cast iron, so it's adjustable. It's not great. See, I got a little gap here, a little gap there. And I'll use this, but I'm going to order the top of the line grill. Yeah, the cooking grill for this Go Anywhere barbecue grill. I'm going to buy a top of the line one here shortly. But I didn't want to use that wire rack. I wanted to use something a little bit better. And I don't know. That's just me. In the background, you're hearing a little XFL action. It's the Seattle Dragons against the Houston Roughnecks. I'm really into that league, but you're looking at the steak again. And I'm going to let it sit out for about a good 20 minutes at least to bring it back up to room temperature so it cooks evenly. Don't just throw a cold steak on a grill. I mean, I'm guilty of it many times, but I'm trying to show you guys some little tips and tricks. Sunny skies, looks like it, but looks like this is coming from the west, from the Olympic Mountains. I think I'm going to be grilling in the garage. Kind of dark there. It's rolling in. As with the jumbo shrimp, I'm going to peel them and devein them because nobody wants to eat that, right? Also, they're going on skewers. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon on there. Quite a bit of lemon. Quite a bit of little lemon. And then we're going to put a little Old Bay in there. Give it a mix. Maybe put a little more. Give it a little mix and put them on the skewers. My neighbor's outside mowing the lawn out there. But yeah, I said it was going to rain. Well, didn't know it was going to have a little hail or whatever you call it. Hardly hail compared to what we get in Michigan. But yeah, I'll be in the garage here shortly. So right now, I'm going to take the steak out of the packaging. And this is a competition grill. I would probably remove all this. I'll trim off all that. But it's not a competition. And I'm probably not going to eat it anyhow, but fat adds flavor at the same time, so I'm okay with it. Going to apply the rub. Look at that. Nice. Using my bare hands, of course. Nothing wrong with that. You can smell that smokiness of that smoked paprika. Yeah, nice. Let's just put some on. There's soak right in. Let's flip her over. See how that all fell off. Flip her over, put some more on. Very generous. This steak is about a 1-inch thick steak. The ribeye steak. All right, we're outside, or actually in the garage, looking outside. You aren't, you're looking at the grill, but I'm looking outside. And I got the Kingsford charcoals out here, and I have a piece of hickory right there. I'm not using charcoals on this side, just on one end. And here we go, first light using this new cast iron grate. All right, so these coals are still burning pretty hot, but I want to get a little, I want to sear the outside of the steak, so I'm going to slap it on there a little bit. Now, I'm not going to get a lot of great line marks on the steak because of the way this cast iron thing is made. That's why I'm still going to buy the one that's really good. This thing's good, it's cast iron. So let's throw this on. And this steak, look at that. This ain't going to take nothing but about a minute and a half. Just searing the outside. Not going to get no lines, no good lines on this steak, but it'll be a good steak, I'll tell you that. Just searing the outside. And after this, we'll move it over here, and you know, it'll finish cooking there. All right, we got a nice sear on there. And now we're going to put the lid on. And let her do her thing. Yeah, let's see what's going on in here. Alright, look at that. Let's take another look. Oh yeah. Looking good. Indirect cooking. See, if I cut that fat off, it wouldn't have bowled up like that, but it's okay. Always checking the thickest part of the meat. Oh yeah, she's ready to be removed. Get on the plate. Right now I'm going to take the steak, put it on this foil, brush off the grill, and what I'm going to do is shower some flavored butter. That's probably enough. Wrap this up. Okay, we got enough foil. I'm gonna let this rest in here for 20 minutes. Let's go cook the shrimp. All right, let's get these. Let me show you guys the shrimp. There is the shrimp, all skewered up this way. Put another that way. Not quite yet. Got a little surf and turf action here in Seabeck, Washington. If I would have just waited, I could have just grilled out here. But no. Heck, I'm hungry. You're looking down Shrimp Road on the 2004 F-150. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go. Yes, I did wash this pan before. You know, it's the same pan I brought them out here while they were raw, but I did go back in and wash them. I don't even know why I'm explaining it. Trust me. So let's put the shrimp on there. We'll just put one skewer on there for now. I don't want to look like a glutton. And let's take a look at the steak after it's taken a nap. Oh my gosh. Look how the fluids come out of that steak. Remember, it was pretty dry when I had it on the grill. Oh my gosh. Check that out, people. Check that out. Oh, where's your vegetables, Paulie? They're coming. Yeah, I should have cut that fat off. What is this? So unneeded. This big old hunk of burning love here. Onto another pan. You know, let's dig in the steak. Tell you how it is. Let me tell you, the tissues of that steak are so nice and tender. that 15-20 minute rest really did it some good. You know, I'm going to enjoy this. And I thank you. I'm laughing because I feel guilty eating this because I can't share it with you all, but I'm sorry I can't. All right, till next time, I'm Paulie. Hope you enjoyed this, because I sure will.